Remix.
Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new Melbourne Railway Videos production. Today I am here at the new St Albans station, which is, it's recently been rebuilt as part of the level crossing removal project. It's not yet completed, as you can see, just like Jennifer, with all this fencing around. But they've opened the station beforehand, so ease the strain on customers. Anyway, this video is in request for Tiger Qantas, Super Awesome Andy, Busman 500 Train Chum and Bus videos, and Riley Mrs. So again, it's got a lot of newish infrastructure. There's this large underground bit. This is where I think it's Main Road goes over, and the level crossing used to be above here. It provides a nice amount of shade on a hot day like today. And there's this little bend here where trains go up, and there's a footbridge which goes over. Again, provision for an extension to the platform. And that's a look towards the city. Oh, little birds got in. That is a look towards Sunbury. I shall be getting hopefully three if the V line isn't late. 3 trains in this video. Otherwise it'll be 2. Get at least 2 metro trains. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. We've got a main line passing, probably a Velocity. Here it is. It's a Southern Cross service. VL60. Some of the newest velocities. That was going faster than expected. I think they're 2 of the newer velocities that have entered service. We've got a Siemens set arriving for a Water Garden service. This train will stop at Keilor Plains, then Water Gardens after this station rather. .500, 750, 6am is leaving. And 750, 6am is leaving. As I said, for Water Garden service. Maybe not. This time. 528T, 755M, 743M, 2522T, with the rear car being 744M. We've got a City Loop service arriving. Comminge. Front half is Alstom refurbished. And finally 498M, rear half being EDI refurbished. It is a combination Comminge. And the Comminge is now departing. Its next stop will be Ginnifer. And peace is restored. And unfortunately that train does conclude the video. Thank you all very much for watching. If you did enjoy this, please give a like and subscribe. Here's a quick look at the concourse. And the platforms. And thank you for watching.